up, guys? I'm back with another banger. Let me shut my door. I'm back with another banger car meet. This is gonna be part 2 from last Sunday. You guys really seem to like that video. It did really good, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you a part 2. I actually went to a meet later on in the day, and then I have a little bit more footage from that meet that I just didn't throw into the other video. So if you're new, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we're gonna get into this part 2. Record.
I like the body on this one.
Sheesh.
What? Splitters in the hood? This has got the carbon fiber package. That's got carbon fiber.
The M3 package.
It looks good with it.
Carbon fiber?
Yeah.
Carbon fiber.
It's on the Type R6 too.
Yeah, you can do the walk around. You didn't see the badge? In the front, you didn't see the badge? Sheesh, blue Supra.
Oh. That's Supra.
I'm gonna just walk around and film. Fuck it.
That's your dream car?
Let's go look at it.
One of them.
One of them? Who said you can have multiple?
That thing's hard. It's got the same engine his car.
Ooh, look at the hood, bro.
This motherfucker looks like a Hot Wheel.
I'm not a fan of like that 2-ton.
Dude,
Wow.
this is tight. What the fuck?
From the side, this thing looks like a Hot Wheel.
Sheesh.
It does.
Damn, bro. Look at the Supra, bro. All carbon. Inventory cover. Sheesh. Guys, look at this Supra, bro. Look at this Supra. Straight fucking race car, bro. Carbon and everything. It's got that wing, bro. Look how big this wing is, bro.
There's a
Sheesh.
little need to come swap his engine.
That's them in the yard.
And dog claws.
Yeah, and dog paws. Yep. Look at these Mazdas, bro. This is, I can see you driving this.
Too small. My car's small enough.
Miatas over here? I don't know if these are Miatas. I don't know anything about these, bro. A cord game with the buckets? Cord with the buckets and the harness? Okay. It's not. It's just got a
That Lexus right there. So you got some.
I like the color on this. Z.
You think they're gonna do some runs or what?
Nah.
Huh? Yeah, that's that green.
She's clean, bro. Oh,
Like that?
yeah, that shit's clean. Woo, R8. Daniel. Ferrari.
I like that Mercedes.
Let's go. Hey, is this music non-copyrighted, bro? Let's go look at it. Awesome. Look at this. Interior, bro. My man's got Patrick in the back too. Okay. Guys, just a little small meet, but I mean, it's a cool little turnout. So over here at Showman Motors, Davis.
This color's nice.
He said he got to get permission. Ew. Making $1 million car in our act.
Not million.
Half.
Nah, that's it. That's an old.
Two?
That's a Gallardo. That's only like maybe a
It's got the suicide doors. The creaming sticker.
It's not that.
that lavender one hard. Should I drive the lavender one? Right?
I think you'd let it drive you.
This BMW right here.
You know what I mean? This little one?
I
Shit.
like these little Beamers right here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's pretty change that on the Genesis, huh?
It's rap, no?
I think so.
It's rap. You know how much a paint job like that would be, bro?
That's some paint jobs pretty much the same thing.
Nah. Yeah, but you gotta commit to
Lights.
my shit sound better.
How you gonna do all that and then almost stall out?
My shit sound better.
Where's everybody leaving?
There's probably another one somewhere maybe.
Oh, silver's leaving.
Oh. Not the CRV. Oh my god.
They got the same engine.
You kept it on my CRV brothers like that, bro.
That's got big old blow off valve. Oh.
That SUV is pretty cool. You heard you talking about what else?
Hey, he can talk all the shit he wants. His car's still slow. Well, damn, I heard that plane. Alright guys, if you made it to the end of the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I notice a lot of you that watch my videos aren't subscribed. I don't get it. It's free. Click that button. It only helps me out. You know what I mean? And I'll see you guys in the next one.